Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make Christmas wreath and 2 decorations for the Christmas tree. I start by sticking 2 branches to the back of the wreath. Then I slide the holly branches between the aluminum wire on the front of the wreath. And then I add the bird on the branch and at the top of the wreath. These birds have a clip under the belly, which help to hold them in place. Let's move on the following decoration. I start by making a circle with jute that I glue with hot glue. Then I use a leftover jute that I roll up around the circle to form a bird nest. Here I add a bird. Now I add dried moss in the container. Then pine cones and branches followed by the bird's nest. There you go. Let's move on to the Christmas ball with birds. Same method. I start by making a bird's nest. Then I put dried moss in one of the halves of the ball. Here I stick my nest on the branch and put a bird and 2 pine cones in it to hide the clip under the belly of the bird. Now I glue the branch into the ball with hot glue to keep it in place. All that remains is to close the ball and add the metal wire to suspend it. You may need to add a drop of glue to make sure the Christmas ball does not open by accident. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.